Guys, today we're gonna be doing an experiment about braiding, different ways of braiding, and the thing that you can do at home. You're gonna be making bubbles, and we have a little experiment. So for this one, you're gonna need water, 2 cups of hot water, not too hot. I don't need boiled water. I just need like 1 minute in the microwave, and we're gonna add it in your plate. Add, guys, your water. Add it on. All of it. Okay. And you're gonna need 1/4 over here. You're gonna add 1/4 of sugar. Everybody must have sugar at home right now. Add the sugar. There you go, great job. And we're gonna add the sugar, and you're gonna need to start looking for, this is something you can do with your parents, with grandma, with auntie, with uncle, with your siblings, and you can play and practice breathing exercises. And after this, you're gonna need dish soap. It doesn't matter the brand at all. We're gonna use dish soap, and I'm gonna do it like this because it's a little bit easier. And I added on first the sugar because if we add first the soap, guess what is gonna happen? If you only have 1 of those cups, so everything is gonna be stuck. Okay. And then we're gonna add another one over here. There you go. Thank you, add it on. Great job. Before we start braiding, I want you to keep in mind something. So when we are braiding, great job, Adrian. Great job, Sophia. Okay, first of all, when you start breathing, remember, you're gonna inhale as you take air. Exhale, let go, and you can do it through your nose or through your mouth. Another way, guys, you remember the flower? Smell the flower, blow the candles. Like if you're in a birthday party, smell the flower, blow the candle. Great job, guys. And in this one, I want you to inhale through your nose. You're gonna need straws, and it's better if those are the giant ones, okay? And then you're gonna be breathing through your nose, and I want you to exhale through your mouth, okay? Get set and go. So this is a simple recipe. Let me remind you what you need. You need 2 cups of hot water, you need dish soap, and you need sugar. And then you're gonna need 3 bases, 2 bases, it depends on how many do you have in your family, and a straw. I provided you different examples, a simple plate, you have another base to do it, and this one I usually use it to cook or mix my pancakes at home, right guys? Yeah. Now we're gonna start, breathe through your nose, and then let's start making bubbles. All the way down, Adrian, put it all the way down, your straw all the way down. And then you can do this if you want to mix your stuff. And then you're gonna try to blow bubbles in the air. And then we're gonna play tennis bubbles.
Look.
Ooh, we got the first one. Uh-oh, we're having an accident over there. It doesn't matter, we have towels under. Careful, Adrian. I want you, Adrian, try with this one. Once you mix it all, oh, you didn't mix it. See, you have to mix it all the way down. I can feel your sugar. Sophia, do the same. Do the same. And then blow it again. Blow it. There you go. Ooh, like keep practicing. Don't put it too high because then you're gonna feel the soap inside your mouth. Now we're gonna use our hands. Make sure that you have a towel nearby if you want. We're gonna use our hands. You're gonna put it in the soap. You're gonna put it like this, and you're gonna try to blow bubbles too. Ooh, I blow one, you blow one. Adrian, I want you to put it all the way down. Don't be scared. All the way down, like this. This one didn't work out.
Wow. It's a bubble.
Oh, did you see my bubble? There you go, Adrian. That's a huge bubble. Let's do it one more time.
Whoa, that was a big bubble, Mama.
Great job, guys. Oh, looks like a heart. Like a pear. Oh, wow. Okay. Now, ooh, that's a giant. Now we're gonna clean our hands in the towel. Or you can wash it if you want.
Yeah!
Okay, now we're gonna continue breathing. That's very important, and I want you to find 3 cups. It doesn't matter the size. What it matters, you need your mommy, daddy, grandma, grandpa, auntie, uncle, your neighbor, whoever is taking care of you, okay? Tell them to make a small hole. It could be with scissors or with something else like this on your cups, okay? And now we're gonna start breathing one more time. This is gonna be we're gonna have so much fun. So let's see.
Look, guys. Look, guys.
Ooh, that's a big giant bubble. Let me see. Keep practicing at home. Mine, I need to keep breathing and practicing. Oh my gosh, those are giant. I think I need a little bit more space in mine. Nope. Sophia, can I borrow your cup whenever you're finished? Oh, wow. Let me see. I think I need more space to blow. Let me put this one. Put the straws on the side. Ooh.
Wow. Whoa. Can I pop it?
Whoa, great job. Now, I think all of you are ready. You can keep practicing and pause my video or repeat it again. Are you having fun, guys? Now, I'm gonna leave space because I want Adrian and Sophia to play something different. And this is gonna be tennis bubbles. Tennis with bubbles? What? Use your straws again. And I want you to blow, and then now you're gonna stand up, okay? Stand up, Sophia and Adrian.
Yes.
And we're gonna try, one of you is gonna try to make a bubble, and then with the straw, you're gonna pass it from one side to the other one. Ooh, and then Adrian, you have to chase her bubble. I'm gonna make a little bit more room so you can play. And you're gonna chase the bubble and you're gonna pass it from one side to the other one. Sounds good? Thumbs up if you understand?
Yes.
Thumbs up if you're okay at home? Great job, guys. Okay, let me move stuff.
Sophia already did it.
Okay. Blow it, blow it, blow it.
Wow.
Adrian, let me walk around. Blow it, Sophia, blow it.